Sorry, please, where did you drop it?
Drop what?
Sorry?
Drop what? Okay, so I'll put it up here in the setup on line 5.
Okay.
You just need to go to the YouTube channel and then get the current live stream and then paste it in the line 6. And then also there's a previous session. Wait, I don't actually see the session. It still looks like it's not coming up properly. I don't actually see our contentious session. So I'd asked somebody to verify what the contentious session was doing and getting the link and everything, but I don't think anyone did that. Right?
I think so. Oh no.
You think what?
I think so.
I don't know what that means. You think so?
I'm trying to get the link that you just sent. Okay, copy. I want to put on my main sheet for future.
You might say that it's still live or something. No, but I turned it off. So weird. Anyways, I'm definitely not impressed on YouTube and Jitsi and all that stuff. Not impressed.
Okay.
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
So I think this one's from today.
Sorry?
I think this one's from today. It's not really clear though, because they both have the same date. It's really odd. And I hate that. It's like I update the names, but then it doesn't actually update the names. So I think this one's the contentious session. And there's no notes. Yeah, so I need the notes for the contentious session. So we also need a link.
You want me to share this?
One, two.
Do you want me to share the notes with you?
No, we just need to. We need to link the video from the previous video to the contentious session notes.
No, we didn't.
Can you do that?
Okay. Okay.
You can't do that?
Yeah, I'm trying to do it.
Okay, well, just let me know when you've done it, all right?
Okay. I'm trying to look for where to paste it. Is it the I'm supposed to paste the YouTube link on the session notes, right?
Yes, for the contentious session.
Yeah.
I'd asked someone to do it. I don't think anyone did it.
Okay. So I'm in setup right now and in the contentious session note, but I don't see. Okay, make sure the feed is linked. Okay, don't worry, I got it. Mm, Jesus. Bro. Okay.
Time for breath. Please stop and get ready. Now inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Pause. Inhale together. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, relax.
Okay, done.
Okay. So I'm working on our topics right now. So
Okay.
we talked about additional income generation, there's grants, client outreach, multimedia, and the fourth one.
Let me create tab. Just create like 3 tabs.
Why are you creating a tab?
Like so we can whenever we choose which one to start, I'll just log in the name.
Okay, as long as you don't start with anything until we have agreement, that's all that matters, right?
Yeah, sure. I just wanted to put it in, then I'll name it, and then we can start using.
So what other topics do we want to consider? So there was recruitment.
Yeah, sure. Okay, okay. The, yeah, that
training.
was it.
So what did you want to focus on?
Mm. I want to focus on client outreach.
Client outreach.
Yep, which was that was for the SVG website you talked about. Working on it. Yeah. And can we complete the trainer coordination?
Well, we can only do one. Do we want to focus on client outreach or the training?
The
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
Oh my goodness. So where I can't remember where we stopped on the other descent. Was trainer. We had worked on the trainer, but we didn't complete it.
Yes, we rarely complete anything, but the question is, what do we want to focus on now? We could continue with the training, or we could work on the client outreach.
Yeah, client outreach and no, not the training. Client outreach. Let's see how we can do something that will bring that has a potential of bringing income.
Okay, so let's do 12 to 24 minutes. And I feel like the two main issues here is there's obviously the deadline, and then there's the SVG website So deadline, timeline, and SVG website would be the three primary things that we can address.
Okay.
So do we have agreement on the topic?
Yes.
All right, topic one, and let me set up a timer. 24 minutes. Excellent. So I still don't see the link for the contentious situation.
I have posted it.
I don't see it. It's supposed to go in line 10.
Sorry.
Time to
YouTube.
take a break. Please stop. Write down
Okay.
whatever we're
It's
about to
actually
say. Take a break for 6 minutes.
it's actually on line 11 in the
I
setup.
don't see it online. It's the info tab. You put
Okay,
it
I
in the
should put in.
setup tab.
Yeah, I should put in the info tab.
Okay.
Oh,
It
oh,
goes in
my
the info
bad.
tab. So that might be a problem. Like maybe I feel like the buddy team notes and the main session notes should have the same tab organization, right? So that, for example, the recording link goes in the same place on all of the tabs, you know. All right,
Okay.
anyways, we need to work on these templates. These templates are really, really bad. I have a lot of issues with the template. Okay, so let's take a break. And then when we come back, we can get started and focused on the client work coordination. I feel like the number one priority for client work coordination is getting, no, we're not doing client work, but external income generation, which is, oh my God, I'm confused again. Client work coordination. It's the external anyways, we just need to get organized, right? I think that's the number one priority, is getting organized.
Okay.
I'm gonna add that desired outcomes, getting organized. And so let's take a break. We still don't have a tab. So are you gonna make a tab, or should I just do one myself?
Doing that right now.
You're doing a tab? Okay, so let's take a break, and we'll be back in for 3.5 minutes. Yeah, 3.5 minute break.
Okay.
All right, I am back. Okay, topic.
You came back?
Okay, this is going to be topic 1. So my understanding is that the topic.
End of break. Time to start.
Client
Please get
outreach.
focused on the session.
Sorry, I didn't get what you said.
My understanding is that the topic is client outreach. You have
Oh,
your
okay.
topic 1, network coordination.
Oh, sorry, just a sec.
So do you want to confirm what the topic is to make sure we have agreement?
Yeah, client outreach. That's what it is.
Okay. Just
Client
making sure.
outreach. Done.
Okay. So I would say the first thing to get clear is that there's 2 components. There's client multimedia, and then there's client outreach. The difference between client multimedia and client outreach is client multimedia is ongoing. Let's say, for example, 1 to 2 social or 1 to 2 updates slash, or let's say 1 to 4
Okay.
updates slash posts per month. Right? So this never stops. Right? That makes sense?
Okay, yeah.
Whereas client outreach is this is basically like like an outreach and sales campaign or round, or basically it's like it could just be one-time thing, right? It doesn't necessarily have to be ongoing. If we find clients, if we don't have clients, we don't necessarily need more clients. So we there's only so many clients we can take on, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And our mission is not to basically meet the needs of clients. Our mission is to meet the needs of the public. So if the public doesn't want us to do client work, we need to focus on other things. But we need client work to fundraise, right? We need money and resources. So we do the client work to raise money. So the next thing we do, we need to get organized, right? So get organized. So for me, there's definitely a difference between client multimedia work organizing spreadsheet, and we would have the client outreach work organizing spreadsheet.
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
So let's see if we can find anything related to client outreach. I don't think we have anything, but we can check. Client outreach. So we have client coordination. There's the SVG client coordination spreadsheet. Hello?
Hello. Oh, at least I'm making.
Hey.
I really try much to join. Sarah.
Lucy.
Yes, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great, thank you. How about yourself?
I'm good.
All right.
Can I have the note?
Yep. Get it for you. But it's on Discord activity channel.
Yeah, I have seen it. It is on Just it, right?
Yes, it's on
The
Jitsi as
one
well.
written. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me do my hyper check.
Please, Jay, just give me a few, like 2 minutes. Let me put on my power generating set, because we don't have light. Is that
Sounds
okay?
good. I'll update. Yeah. I'll update Lucy on our topics. So Lucy, we have decided to get focused on the client outreach.
Wow, that's perfect.
Okay, so you're in agreement on that. That's good. So I'm creating a client outreach work organizing spreadsheet. So we wanted to have clarity that there is a difference between multimedia and client outreach.
Okay.
And the primary difference is that multimedia is multimedia is like ongoing updates, right? And posting. Whereas client outreach is basically like an outreach and sales campaign or around. It's kind of like one time and typically involves
Time for
advertising,
breath.
not
Please stop and get ready.
media.
Now inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Pause. Inhale together. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, relax.
Okay.
Yeah. So again, so the client multimedia is different from the client outreach. Okay. So right now we're
Okay.
focused on outreach, and the idea is to have a campaign or some sort of advertising to get clients, right?
Yeah. So where are we going to do the adverts? On
We
our
have
social media?
we will have to figure that out.
That will be the best way for us to get clients.
What's the best way for us to get clients?
When we do outreach and
Yeah,
campaign, you
but
can get clients.
the only way outreach is going to happen, and the only way any work is going to happen, is if we are organized and we are actually, have deadlines and like we actually have to do the work. Otherwise, nothing's going to happen, right? We've been talking about client outreach for like a year. No one does it. It never happens because no one cares, right? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the reason why we have client outreach is not because it's not a good idea. The reason why we're not doing it is because there's no reason to do it. We have no deadlines, right? There's no actual requirement to do the work. So no one does it. Okay. That makes
Okay.
sense?
Yeah.
So we can list our priorities here. Obviously, we need clear deadlines. We need the location where we want to post. We need to have protocols for follow up, follow through. There's also the client portal that we might want to create. We need to update the website, right? Or at least feel okay about it.
Website, location, and what?
Overnight.
So do we have to tell them the services we provide also as well? And
What?
so I was asking, are we going to tell them what we are doing?
To tell who what?
The client, of course, that we are looking for.
That would be the ad, right?
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
So the ad is what we tell, where we tell what to tell the clients,
Okay.
So as far as like getting organized here, we need to always link the notes to the sessions tab in the work organizing spreadsheet. So if you could do that, that would be very helpful.
Yeah. Let me do.
And the client work
Link the note to the client tab in the organizing sheet. Okay.
the client outreach work organizing spreadsheets, line 14.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
index our priorities to the work organizing spreadsheet. So, I mean, somehow we just need to get in the habit of always indexing everything and always keeping organized. Otherwise, nothing's ever going to move forward, right?
Yes.
So eventually I shouldn't even have to ask, it just be automatic. We're always indexing, we're always organizing, we're always keeping everything waiting on track. So should we go into the website? Wait, let me double check. So we had the deadline, the timeline. So let's review the timeline. We have the deadlines, okay? So here.
Okay. Done linking, putting the note there.
So this was like the general timeline that we were talking about doing.
So is this the first time doing this?
No.
Huh.
But it's maybe like the second or third.
Okay.
What do you mean? Wait, first session? Did you say this is the first session, or are you asking if this is the first time we're doing client outreach?
I'm asking if this is the first time we are doing client outreach.
Yes. We've never done it before because no one follows through and does the work. I said earlier.
I
So
also
then
copied the.
we have our time. We have a kind of like an estimated timeline here. So the next question is our deadlines. So for me, the deadline.
Time to stretch. Please stop, stand up, and stretch and move around for 30.
Go back.
Okay.
Somebody call.
So Nemo, we were talking about indexing everything and getting everything into the client outreach work organizing spreadsheet.
Okay.
So does that make sense? Can you do that, or do I need to ask multiple times over and over again? I mean, do you understand?
I update the priorities. You can check. So now I want to update the plan for website.
Priorities?
Yes, I update on this client outreach. You can see the tab. You have the note and priorities.
Great. Okay. So then we're gonna want to add our timeline and deadlines, right? So for the timeline and deadlines, the question is, when should we do this work by, and what and how are we going to make sure it happens?
Wow, I think we have to figure out everything to make it happen. We have to schedule. That is the first thing.
Yeah,
We
but
have
no
to
one's gonna
schedule.
schedule if there's no deadline, right?
Yeah.
So it's just not, the
Or
work
then
just
we
never
can
happens.
create a deadline. Let's create the deadline for that. Sure.
Yeah, so we have some options. There's currently 4 options that we discussed. So do we want to prioritize these options, or do we want
Time
this
to
addressed
pause.
just like
Please
tomorrow?
stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2,
Yeah, we
3,
control the
5. Open your eyes.
okay, option. Let me see. The option
So
1
we
is
want-
part of
we-
existing outreach. Okay, recruit around 15 days. Sub deadline. That you can go with these options. Full 100%.
These are the 4 options, line 58 to 61. So do we want to try to narrow down or decide our deadlines and actually get clarity on our timeline, or do we want to move on to the website?
Before moving on to the website, let's do clarity on deadline, then we move to the website.
So that you want to try to update the deadline?
Sorry.
Yeah, yes, because when you have the deadline, it's going to help us move forward. We are not going to forget. I think I realize the importance of deadline.
Yeah, without a deadline, nobody cares about the work, right? It's just like
Yeah.
which is unfortunate, but it's the case. So should we just vote on these 4 options session tomorrow?
Yeah, we can vote during the session tomorrow as well. We can vote today, also tomorrow.
No, today.
Okay.
Oh, I think we're out of time for the topic.
Wow. You speak.
We also took a. I think we took a break, right? We take a break.
Okay.
So I think we still have 5 minutes left. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
But we can always extend time. So we all voted, and it looks like the priority is the overall long-term option 4 got the most support. So that's line 54, 55. I'll just copy here, 65 here. So the proposal is that
Time for breath. Please stop and get ready. Now inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Pause. Inhale together 1, 2, 3. Exhale, relax.
so proposals that team is not that the team is automatically required to do a mini client outreach if we do not have sufficient client work for or 100% pay stop by end of the month.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we could try to put this in context of a policy that sort of is basically if the team determines that if the team is not meeting required objectives, no. If the team is not expectations for then it then rounds are automatically initiated. Right? So I believe this is the policy. So I feel like the goal is clarity, right? So the details would be on the criteria. The criteria, taxes, coordination and planning, and work administration, right? Taxes, knowing on time off. So then you have work at with regular RTA happening and good. So we can say like our current, current status is bad.
Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
Client work, right? So client, external client our budget to be stable and functional. Bad mini outreach. Like the model.
The thing. Fine.
So we could review our positions right now.
I can't hear you.
It's because
Joe,
of
can you?
Nemo, your fan is like blowing on the microphone again.
Okay. Doesn't want to stay on.
It sounds better right now.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's just check the other position. So we have taxes, we have assets. So assets is a major problem, but we haven't prioritized it. All right, we're out of time.
You're out of time. Do view up. Let's do view up. We have to do view up and take a break. Would you like to continue on this topic?
Yeah, I think we should continue on the topic. That was like the goal for this entire session was we were talking about prioritizing this. So I mean, getting this policy set up, I think is great because not only will this be like a one-time deadline, this will be ongoing forever.
Time to take a break. Please stop, write down whatever you were about to say, and take a break for 6 minutes.
Okay, let's take a break. When we come back, let's do a review up and then we can get organized for the next topic.
Okay.
End
It's
of
4
break.
o'clock.
Time to start. Please get focused on the session.
Okay, I am back.
Back.
So
I'm back as well.
nice. Okay. So overall, we have our list of priority positions, which sort of represents the needs of the organization, right? So for one it would be like payroll, right?
Okay.
AGC, we already did that. Check. Deputy coordinator, check. But obviously, like if we are doing really bad with our multimedia outreach, something or storytelling / multimedia, you know, if we were not following those policies, we haven't really initiated that yet. I don't know if we want to prioritize that for now, but we could add that in the future as a criteria point. So then, and then there's the client work coordination. So I think that's related to income. And then we have coordinator, which would be related to recruitment. So I don't know if we could add that as a potential recruitment. And then sponsorship. I don't really exactly not doing for sponsorship, but if we weren't able to do the sponsorship properly. So I would say that there are 6 criteria points that we should have for now. Those 6 criteria points would be taxes, RTVA, external client, work hours, our internal income, and then payroll and budget. What do you all think about that?
Okay, I think it's okay.
And then there's a whole bunch more that we could add in the future.
Probably we just take it one step at a time.
Yeah.
Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So then the only thing missing here would be the benchmark. So I think the benchmark for taxes is agreement on the plan, right? Like there has to be somebody who's overseeing who's doing the taxes by when. Right?
Yes. Yeah.
And
Yes.
and obviously tax deadlines. Percentage completed. The expectation. But 2 per week, right?
Oh,
So from here, the external income would be, semi-balanced budget within 25%. So internal income would be that, I think minimally that is I mean all 25% or 75% of payroll is covered. 75% of payroll covered with. So this would be like 25% of time on client work.
Time for breath. Please stop and get ready. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Pause. Inhale together. 1, 2.
So work hours, I think, was 75% of all work hours. So if a worker is expected to work 30 hours, 15 hours, that is equal to 50%, right? That we're too worried about work hours at the moment, especially with the substitutes, right? Budget. What is our expectation for payroll and budget?
I think we need 75 all workers. No?
Do you think payroll is in budget is like important criteria that we should include, or should we wait for later, or what? I feel like we have determined that
Maybe
payroll
I don't
is.
know. I don't understand when you said 75% payroll workers are required to do enough client work for team income.
What do you not understand? So we have 33% general work, 33% internal operations, and 33% client work.
Yes, when you say payroll workers are required to do enough client work for team income. What does that mean? Does it mean that are required to do?
Who? I don't understand what you're talking about. We have to have enough
I'm
income.
talking about the line that you are in 74.
Yeah, so this is just that we as a team are required to do enough client work to have income to cover the payroll. If we don't do that, then the client work's not getting done, and that's a problem. So we have to do recruitment.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Time. Pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
So for payroll and budget, for example, for now we could just say like, that base upfront payroll is completed by end of month, right? So as long as the base upfront payroll is completed by end of the month, then we're fine. But we should always be doing base upfront payroll. If base upfront payroll is not happening, that is a huge problem, And so if we were not able to get base upfront payroll completed, it would automatically initiate a mini recruitment round for payroll workers. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All right. So I think this proposal is is good. So are there any other questions on this? And we can bring it up to the team tomorrow.
No question.
Not from me. Bless you.
Oh, so the only other question is that if it would be monthly, right?
I think monthly should be fine.
Bless thee.
All right, so I think we're ready to move on. And the thing I like about this proposal is that it applies for forever into the future, right? It just keeps us always on our toes. Like our goal is that we're completing all the taxes, all the RTVA, the external income, the internal income, the work hours, and the payroll. And then there's no additional recruitment, but we would still be required, right? We are still required to do our normal half year outreach and recruitment round. You know, this is every 6 months, right? That makes sense. So
Yep.
twice a year, we're still required to do our outreach and recruitment round, even if we don't need to do more recruits because we're doing all of the work that's required. We still have to do an outreach.
Time to stretch. Please stop, stand up, and stretch and move around for 30 seconds.
Okay, quick stretch. So the other thing that seems to be missing is just kind of getting clarity on the timeline. So if we pass this proposal, this would give us 2 to 4 weeks to do the outreach. Does that make sense? So if this proposal passes and we do not have sufficient external income, therefore we have 2 to 4 weeks to complete the client outreach round, or mini client outreach.
Okay. Okay.
So this would initiate 4 mini recruitment and outreach priorities if we approve these criteria. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 criteria with all with their own benchmarks, and 4 of the 6 are not being met currently. I feel like 75% is a little low. Maybe it should be 80%. 80% of income here. Anyways, so we're okay with that? That sounds good?
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right.
Yep.
So let's, and then, also, I feel like there should be a detail here about when are we required to review the benchmarks and the criteria for initiating a mini recruitment. So I would say, like, you know, by the end of the month, we are required to review and then initiate the mini recruitment or outreach for the next month. And then let's say the latest would be by the full moon to initiate for a 2-week mini recruitment or outreach. 2 weeks is not a lot of time. So,
Time to
anyway.
pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
We'll have to figure that out. We can figure that out later then. All right, so let's go on to back to our timeline. Does the timeline look correct? So basically, update the website, step 1. Social media setup, step 2. Draft advertisement, step 3. Posting advertisement, step 4. And then follow up with potential clients, step 5. And I would say like week 0 is basically like getting organized, set up, and getting organized, which is what we're doing today. So does the timeline look good or not?
Yeah.
We should present, yeah.
Okay, so I think the next step is going into the website then. All right.
Yes. Let's
Yeah.
do website.
Wait, but how are we doing on time? Is anyone keeping time?
Yes, we just
Okay.
came back from break.
Okay, so then we
We
came back from break.
spent like 10 minutes.
No, it's been 16 minutes since the bottom of the hour, so that would mean we have 14 minutes left. Okay.
Oh yes, 40 minutes.
All right, so I set the timer, and then overall, probably should be doing policy tracking, but maybe we skipped it. Also, I have some. Not late, I will not attend. Not late, I will not attend. Yes, but you didn't tell us that until 30 minutes late. Take note of this policy. All right, so then the question is, what is all this? A J? Oh, a Tay is doing RTVA again? Okay.
I'll do my RTVA Friday next tomorrow.
All right, but it looks like a Tay is doing RTVA for tomorrow again. Anyways, I need to respond to her. So let's get back to the client outreach. So for the client outreach, I think the next step is the SBG website. Are we all in agreement on that? Or is there anything else we're missing? Let's review our priorities. So deadlines, check. Location where we want to post. I don't think we need to worry about the location where we want to post yet. Protocols for follow-up and follow-through. I don't think we're there yet. Update the website. I think that's where we are. Get organized with documents and information. We already did that. And then draft our ad.
Time for breath. Please stop and get ready. Now inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Pause. Inhale together. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, relax.
All right, so we have the social
Made
value.
the tab.
What?
Okay. No, I made the tab for the topic 2.
I don't think it's a separate topic, is it? We're on
Is this
topic.
separate topic here?
We're
I
on
think
topic
you're still
1.5.
on top.
We have like 11 minutes left for topic 1.5. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm in line 100.
You are on line 100.
So we're trying to do the client outreach. So we're doing the client outreach for social value group. That's the that's where all the client contracts and organizing all happens with SVG. Okay, so SVG is basically what we call our front. This is our client front for the co-op. That make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Building our relationship. Okay.
so there's a bunch of problems with the website, but the question is, what is the minimum that we need to do to feel like we can at least start our outreach round, which we're required to do within weeks, right? So we don't have a lot of time to do updates here. one thing I would love to do is to get so a list of essential updates to make for the website. Right.
Yeah.
So one thing I would love to do is fix back
Price.
end editing access, and then I wanted to fix the team profiles. So I think updating the team profiles would be helpful. Update team profiles because we do have new workers, and yeah, just generally that would be good to do. Maybe we could remove the partner profiles because there's nothing there. So we could remove partner profiles.
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
I think we could do minimal text for the other services. I think it would be helpful to list our other services because these are services I think people do want. Board managed facilitation, appointments, officers, investments, organization support. I mean, these are all really helpful things for organizations. And then officer appointments, I think we could remove that page. So we just have that as part of our other services. So then we want to remove officer appointments page. Are you guys seeing anything you want to fix or anything? So
What about services prices? Is this okay?
the pricing, I think it's okay. I mean, it's not great, but it's certainly correct. It's correct
Need
information.
to have a good look, actually.
So we need to certainly verify that contact form works. Verify contact form works.
Yeah,
That's
I'm
very
on
important.
contact. I want to see. Can I try if the contact form is working?
Yeah. We also have an email on there. So there's the info@socialvalue.group email works and goes somewhere people will. Okay, so that's important. All right, contribute. So contribute. Social programs and nonprofits also to put budgeting.
I sent a message on contact form. Say, thank you for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly.
So we either need to remove the donation or we have to fix the donation button. So remove donation or fix donation button. I feel that having the donation button is good. It makes us seem like we are a social program. But we're gonna
Yeah.
need a donation button.
Other thing we need to remove is we need to update the copyright.
Why? Oh, because it says 2023.
It is 2023.
Yeah, but I don't think that's an essential thing we have to do before we can do outreach. But we can easily do that. I can think of 100 things we could do to improve the website. But I think
Copyright always, Jay, most of the people go back there and see if this something currently that is most.
Time to take a break. Please stop. Write
It's
down
minor,
the
but it
best you're
matters
about to
something.
say and take a break for 6 minutes.
Yeah, all right. Well, we can certainly do that update because it's very minor, to do it.
Yeah, appointment. Office appointment is. Can we update on that? There is nothing there.
Office appointments? Do we have?
Officer appointment?
Nope.
So fix the team profiles. I mean, this might take 1 to 2 hours. From new workers, right? And descriptions, pictures and descriptions. Partner profiles. This take 5 minutes. minimal text. This would be a half hour to 1 hour. Verify, like half an hour, like 0.25 hours. This is 0.25. Donation, fixed donation button 0.25. Update copyright. It needs to take 5 minutes. Okay, so I think that is the work on the website, unless there's anything else that we want to fix. Is there anything else on the website that looks like we need to fix it, or?
Yeah, when we click on services, it's just a blank page first, then you find services down.
There should be a picture. It's weird.
There is no picture from my end. I'm just there.
Huh, okay. So that's a problem. So the picture on services page is blank. So that needs to be fixed. The 0.5. I don't know why that's not working. Cool. All right. So we might need to do an update or something on the website. I mean, update website. I don't know why the website's not really working properly, but there's definitely a couple issues with the website that I don't even know if I can fix, but we'll at least try. So what do you think? Do you think that that looks good for now for the website? Fix
What
it.
about partner profiles? Is empty.
The idea is to remove the partner profiles page.
Okay, I'm just trying to go through.
But we want to fix team profiles. So the team profiles page is not up there working right now because
Hello.
Now it's good. The most important thing, we are good, Jay, to update these pictures and other thing. I can do it as well. If you give me login, I can update the picture, the team profile.
cool. All right. So do we want to start working on the website now? We only have 3 minutes left. Or social media setup.
I thought we were supposed to go on a break and then come back.
We have to go for 2 minute break.
Yeah. So let's take a break and then let's do a view up. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right. 2 or 3 minute break and then we'll do a view up.
End
It's
of
4
break.
o'clock.
Time to
Yeah.
start. Please get focused on the session.
The Doobie
I'm
app.
back as well.
App.
All right. So just a reminder to make sure we get all the stuff indexed. So for the view up, what do we want to do for the view up?
Okay, I think we want to continue now the updating website.
So you want to do the website update for SVG?
Yes.
Is Nemo here or no?
Yes, I'm here.
Can you give me a login so I can update the picture?
Agreement on the topic. Can we do
Okay.
agreement topic?
Number.
Yes. Sorry, I didn't get that.
Do you have an agreement on the topic? Continue with the website update.
No, I don't.
Okay.
We should.
So wait, what was that? What we're saying? You don't want to do that, or you want to do that?
No, I said I don't have any objection.
Okay, so my
So
understanding, if we get into the SVG website, we are talking about internal operations. So this would be the SVG website updating is line 98. No, 96. So does that make sense? You guys want to do that? So this would be SVG website updating.
yeah, let's
So
do
it's
it.
kind of like updating our
Time
own
to
website.
pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
So let's do how long should we do for this? Like 15, well, let's do maybe a segment.
Maybe let me create it up.
So the goal here is access and then working through
Just
priorities,
um,
fix site.
Lucy, just do it to sheet 32.
Oh, I already put there. No problem. Next we can do that. Okay. Get access through the done.
So one thing that's important to note in regarding the website here is that we probably need a SVG website and multimedia work organizing spreadsheet. So the question is, do we already have that? Where is it? What is the current status? Because we want to keep this all organized so that we are updating the website and keeping the website functional, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So maybe you could search for that. So then from there, I'm going to go and try to log in and get everything set up for the website stuff.
I'm updating the. Indexing the note. And let me do index. Deadlines.
Time for breath. Please stop and get ready. Now inhale, 1, 2, 3, exhale, 1, 2, 3, pause. Inhale together, 1, 2, 3, exhale, relax.
All right, so I'm attempting to get logged in.
Okay.
Update passwords and things like that. And then I can set up, I think you guys can register. You might be able to register.
Register as like client.
Maybe. So one of the issues with our website is somehow we have a double installation, which is really, really, really weird.
Oh.
It's like, why do we have a double installation on the same site? And part of me feels like that could be one of the problems that we're having. Database details. CSAF WordPress. And this one is CSAF professional. Yeah, so it's definitely the same website, but somehow it's double. So weird. Somehow it's been multiplied. Like there's two of them, which is really bad. Also, I can.
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
I can't remember who said that they were involved in doing WordPress and things like that, but anyways, you can, if you look here, you can see that they have separate versions, right? This one's version 6.4.3, and this one is version 6.1.1. So that's also possible. Part of the problem is that they have different versions, that maybe if we upgrade this one and update it to 6.4.3, then maybe they would work better. It
Yeah.
just doesn't make sense though why there would be two of them, but the databases are the same. Database is exactly the same, so there's only one website, but for some reason there's two. It thinks there's two installations. So we go to the actual website.
If page
goes,
cannot, okay.
it goes to the same place, right? I mean, this is exactly the same website. So it's just two, for some reason, there's just two separate installations on top of each other. It just doesn't make sense why it would do that. Anyways, before, my biggest problem was regarding the team profiles. So I was trying to update the team profiles, and then I click on it, it just gives me a blank page.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not blank, it worked.
No, it's
Nice.
working.
Okay, cool, it's working. So we want to remove Alberto, right? So let's just think we can replace.
Replace, yeah.
Library. So for now, we'll just put another picture of Joyce or something. Okay. So here we have Joyce, and we have so we need to fix this. Partner, primary manager, position. All right. So then we have to delete all of this. Boom. Okay, cool. So technically, Moth is still legally a partner. He didn't step down. Then we have Ate. We've got Mamun. Mamun's names are interesting. Okay, so let's make a list for the team profiles. All right. So this is excellent.
Time to stretch. Please stop, stand up, and stretch and move around for 30 seconds.
All right, quick stretch. You guys still need to index all the information as much as you can. Okay, so
I put the
team profiles. So the team profiles are, there's myself. We can think about the order. I don't know. I feel like the order should go in order of seniority, right? So Joyce, to do Nainmo, we have Uma, we've got, I guess we can skip Penny for now. Who else are we missing? Sandra, right? So Sandra, I think, would go after Joyce. Maybe we should ask Sandra for a picture real quick before she goes into surgery and disappears for 2 weeks. Oh my God, I cannot believe that she has surgery. It's just like unbelievable. Okay, Uma. I'm glad we're able to help her though. It's just really bad. So yeah, so I think that's everybody, right? Is that everybody on the team, or am I missing any?
Maybe Mamun. Mamun is there, okay.
Yeah, so we have
Gloria.
So let's put Mamun above Mamun, below Nemo, and above Oma. Okay, so I think this looks pretty good for the team profiles. Should be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Are we not going to include Benjamin?
Benjamin is on leave. We'll put him at the bottom. Benjamin, he's on leave, so we're not really. So Benjamin, we're gonna basically ignore Benjamin. Sandra, will probably be ignoring Sandra because they're both on leave. Joyce, we already have. Okay, so for each person, we're supposed to do like a little paragraph. I don't know why it's not lining up quite properly, but we'll have to fix it. Yeah. Oh, Lucy, you're not on here too. Yeah, we'll have to get a picture for you too. All right. Cool. So anyway, so team profiles need to be updated. So we need pictures from everybody and a paragraph. So we need a picture. So let's do the status. So status is good. Lucy, we need a picture and paragraph. And I don't know, optional, there's also the
time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4.
I have my pick. Let me check my pick.
Mamun is good. Uma and Gloria, we need picture and paragraph. All right. So good. So Sandra is basically going on leave. On leave. All right. So yeah. So just let me know if there's anything else that we need. But I'm still a little bit weirded out by the formatting here. Like I don't know what happened. Like why is the formatting so weird? Just don't get it. Anyways, let's just publish this and make sure that it is visible. Public. It says it's public. Okay.
Yes, public.
Okay. So before I get too much here, let's get the user. So did you guys register or not?
Not yet.
No, not
So
yet.
we have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of spam
Register
users.
portal. I'm registering. Okay.
So I mean, I don't know how exactly to go through all of this spam. But we did fix the spam. There shouldn't be much spam left. So I don't know. Basically, we just want to delete. Yeah, let's confirm. Get these people out of here. All right. So if we look at the comments, the last comment we had was from December 22nd. So we since we initiated the new spam reduction, we've had no spam. So that's great. But we still need to delete all of this spam that's basically bad, right? So now in order to post anything as a comment or do anything on the website, you have to do CAPTCHA. So we basically fixed all of this stuff. So that's good. Okay.
Okay.
So
if
over.
you register here, you will get the information there.
Yeah, if you want to register, yeah. But so everybody, you can have all these people who've registered as a user, right? So these are all users in the organization, in the back end, but they're just all spam users, so we're deleting them, you know? What should be done with the content owned by these users? Delete all the content. Make sure admin, the current user will not be deleted.
Time for breath. Please stop and get ready. Now inhale, 1, 2, 3, exhale, 1, 2, 3, pause. Inhale together, 1, 2, 3, exhale, relax.
Anyway, it's going to take a long time to delete all of these spam users. So do you guys want to do your registration?
I'm registering now. I'm going to register right now.
Okay, great.
Please, can I have the link?
The link should be in our notes.
Okay.
Go to our notes. The client outreach. So it's right here. Social value group. Copy. All right. So I'll put it in line 6 or 7. Line 7. So here's a Tay. So we've got a Tay registered. So Tay is currently author. So it's good to know a Tay is on the site. That is excellent, right?
Okay.
So let me know when you registered, and then I should be able to search for you and then update your access. Okay?
Yes, I'm doing it now, right?
Is it client portal registration?
Yeah.
I'm
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
Okay, I think I'm registered.
All right. Let's see if I can find it. So I just search users. And what's your user be like Nanmo?
Yeah. Oh, you mean username? D Brown. That's it. Yeah.
D Brown. Excellent. All right. So I just need to edit, and then I want to make you, instead of a subscriber, make you like an author. I believe that should be enough.
Time to take a break. Please stop. Write down whatever you were about to say and take a break for 6 minutes.
So let me know if that worked, and if now you can, if you can access the back end and edit. Have you done WordPress before, Nema?
Yeah, I did. Don't know if I still have that. Yeah, let's see.
It's pretty easy. We can always talk you through it as needed. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Should I log in now?
what about Lucy? Oh, you're not logged in? Yeah, you should definitely log in if you're not logged in. So Lucy, what about you?
I'm adding information. Is it on I'm adding, they say biography, request password, repeat password. I'm
Nothing
ready.
really. Doesn't have to be big. Just
You all you have to do is basically your name and your email and your password, I think is all you need.
I already put a lot of info, no problem.
it's not
This
letting
one,
me enter.
like, this one actually looks like a real person. It's interesting. I'm gonna leave him because it's possible that they are a real person.
I register.
Wow, but I'm not able to log in.
Why?
Keep saying, please complete the captcha.
J, I register.
Let me see.
Okay, so now I'm searching for Lucy or Namish.
No, you search Locodo Lucy.
All right. We also have this Lucy MacGyver. Let's get
Yeah, mine is there, Locodo Lucy.
All right, here we go. Lucy. So we want to edit and we want to make you an author. Perfect. Date. All right. So now let me know if you have access. You should have access to like the back end now. But you're saying you can't. You're not able to log in. Is that what's going on here?
Yeah, just keep saying captcha.
So we are definitely having some problems with that before.
Wow.
What?
It's saying the username D Brown is not registered on this site. If you're unsure of your username, try your email address. Oh nigga, what's up?
Okay. Staying login. We just email you the link. Okay. They send email to my. Okay.
So if you want to
Then
share the screen, I can take a look at it. Let's see if I can fix. Hmm,
Wow.
what's the wow?
Still not letting me log in.
it say create your site. WordPress. Does that mean I'm already in? Okay, not
I
really.
don't know. I feel like you would have to share your screen for me to be able
Okay,
to
let
do
me
it.
share a screen.
No.
Wow, it's not logging in.
I'm here. I think where is it?
Ooh.
Not here. Are we logging in on website here? Logging in as a client, right? I can do. Code Lucy. Then password.
Are you sharing your screen?
Yes.
So the fact that there's double captcha is a little concerning, but try both of them.
I
Oh, look,
mean.
it logged you in, so it worked perfectly fine for you.
Yes.
So what is going on? Do you want to share your screen, Nemo, and we can try to figure out? So it worked for Lucy. So Lucy, go up to the top left-hand corner, like the very, very top left-hand corner.
Here. Here.
Lucy, what did you do? Client, is it client login?
Hey, I'm in. No, the password that you put when you register and plus username. That is it.
Yeah, what did you use? Is it the client login or
No, I use my own details. I put my username as Locodo Lucy. Then the password that I create.
All right. So you definitely do not have enough access. So I'm gonna try to fix your access here. Let's see.
End
It's
of
4 o'clock.
break. Time to start. Please get focused on the session.
I'm gonna make you an editor and see what happens now. Right. So refresh, Lucy, and see what happens.
you mean me?
No, Lucy, if you can refresh, please. Yeah.
Yeah. Say no site recruitment.
So push the left hand, top left. Yeah, so now you have access to all the pages and the comments, the media. Yeah, this is correct. You should be able to
I
edit
can.
everything.
Wow, it's not letting me in.
Can you share your screen, Nemo?
Yes. Lucy,
I
can you
don't.
stop so I can share my
Lucy,
screen?
yeah, Lucy, don't
Okay.
don't edit anything that you're not supposed to be editing. Okay.
Okay. I don't. I stop my screen.
It's still showing.
No.
Maybe it was my screen. I'll stop mine.
Can you see my screen?
Uh-huh.
Huh?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
So I did log in and I came here.
No,
Admin
you
login.
go to client. Okay. I
Client
You
was
should be
login.
able.
going.
You should be able to log in with either one.
I did either one's not working
But
though.
okay, we'll try it
Huh?
again. So what's the problem with it?
So
Try to log in. Then I could drag down those this up to last another one. Then
Are you sure the password's correct?
yep. I didn't
no.
even put it. I didn't even put it. I had saved it. Let me try to let me do this.
But it definitely wasn't the captcha that time. That's a good sign, right? It said that it was your password or username that was the problem.
Yeah, maybe because I'm using another one.
No, you just finish the other one.
See, same thing.
Can you say you lost your password?
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
Oh, you use email as a username? Oh,
Yeah, the said username or email.
okay. Get new password. Mm, can't find
What was,
this site can't be find.
what was your username again?
D Brown.
DBR.
Yes.
Maybe I
DBR
accidentally deleted you.
Sorry?
I was going
maybe
through deleting. I was
deleted.
going through and deleting all of the users, and it's possible that I accidentally deleted you right after you registered. You know,
Are you serious?
it's possible because
Let's confirm.
I don't see you here either. It's not there.
Share screen. Share screen. Let me see.
Yeah, I think I might have accidentally deleted you because I was going through and deleting users, and I might have just accidentally deleted you.
Oh my god. Okay.
I think that might be the problem.
Yeah, possibly. If you've deleted me, then
Yeah, because I was trying to get rid of like all these ridiculous spam accounts. So just try re-registering again.
yeah. Mm,
Because yeah, I definitely do not see you in here anymore. And when I searched for you, it wasn't there. So I must have deleted you. I don't see how there's any other possible option. Okay, so let's get back to getting this all organized. So the services page is what I was trying to fix. So for some reason, you can only do have one person editing a page at a time, so it's really important not to go into the page when I'm working on it.
Okay. So you are editing direct from WordPress. You don't use any editor. I can see that.
What WordPress is? It's like the website. Yeah, I don't know.
Time for breath. Please stop and get ready. Now inhale, 1, 2, 3, exhale, 1, 2, 3, pause. Inhale together, 1, 2, 3, exhale, relax.
Are you there?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so I fixed the services page.
You fix that, okay.
So
Then
now
the
I just
next.
want to fix the other services page, and then I think we're pretty much done. I mean, there wasn't a lot that we needed to do except for the team profile. So Lucy, did you get your team profile together?
When I
Lucy, did you
register, I
get
think I registered the information that needed. Is it
no? All
okay?
we need is we just need your picture and a paragraph.
I sent the paragraph when I was registered. Let
It
me
needs to
get
go
the
in
picture.
the notes. It needs to go in the notes. Like I don't care about your username or other stuff. I'm talking about the website. Okay. I'm not talking about your username or login or profile for that. I'm talking about the website itself.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me get the picture. If I have even one. Not sure.
Okay, can you check?
Okay. So go back to users, and I see you again. I apologize for deleting you. Hopefully we won't delete you ever again. Go to the editor, and
Policy training.
there you go. That's a great idea. Policy training.
No,
Excellent.
no, no, no. I'm kidding. Kidding, please.
No, it's definitely against policy to delete someone from the website. There,
Kidding.
I'll do 0.5 hours for deleting uh, Nemo users.
Hmm.
Okay, so you should be an editor now, so you should be able to edit all the pages and everything. So hopefully that works. And I just need to fix this page here. Other services.
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your
Can I
eyes.
try to log in now? Can I try to log in now?
Yes, it should work now that we
Try
have.
now.
Okay, I'm logged in.
Perfect. Just trying to get my
Why
picture.
can't I why can't I get the back end?
The only person can edit is one person at a time. We just said so.
No. We have lots of pages that can be all edited simultaneously. You just can only edit one page at a time for a
Okay.
person. So you have 10 pages, you have 10 different people editing 10 different pages. But Nemo, if you want to share your screen, you should have back end access. You sure you don't? It's in the top left-hand corner. You just click on the little WordPress thing.
Okay. I'm trying to log in as admin. It's talking about recapture thingy.
I thought you said you already logged in.
Yeah.
So here, let me see your screen. I mean, you should once you log in, you should be logged in just fine.
I'm sharing my screen now.
All right, so the top left-hand corner where it says like SVG or the little WordPress thing.
Here?
No, top left-hand corner.
Oh, okay. Here.
Yeah, that's it. And that takes you to the back end. Yeah, there it
Oh.
is. Okay. So now you can see all the posts, all the pages, all the comments, right? And you're able to actually start editing and change things and anything. But you shouldn't edit anything without knowing what you're doing. And my first request would just be to get your picture and your profile paragraph together so that we can update our
Time to
team
stretch.
profiles.
Please stop, stand up, and stretch and move around for 30 seconds.
All right, we are doing a quick stretch.
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
We're going on Sonic now.
it's definitely time to wrap up and check out, you know?
Yep.
Almost finishing. Okay, let me put my teacher.
Time for breath. Please stop and get ready. Now inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Pause. Inhale together, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, relax.
Okay, so I finished updating the other services, so that is all done. So
Okay.
I think everything. Wait. We still have to update that. Um, there's still that issue with whoops, with the date. We changed it to 2024. We can figure out how to do that.
I just put my information. I want to paste the picture now on our notes.
Okay, so when you go into
Time to
the
pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
so when you go into the back end, there's a button that says media. You click on the media button and you say add new media file. Okay.
Okay. And which page?
You go to the back end and you go to media. Click on
Back
media.
and oh yeah, yeah. Let me go to dashboard and media file. Library. Okay. Add media file. Okay. Mm-mm. Still loading. Okay.
So Nainma, what are you working on?
I have just added my media file there.
Okay, I think we might have lost Nainma. I don't know. If you could send a message. So let
I
me
think
see if I can. Where is your paragraph?
I have my paragraph. I paste it on our notes.
Perfect. Hmm. I feel like that picture got kind of bent, but we'll see if it works. So this is Lucy.
Maybe
So
it's K, not
uh,
C O. It's K O.
what?
The name Lokodo is K O. Yes, K.
What's
Yeah.
that?
Yes. Yeah. Exactly.
All right. So let me go to the notes and see.
Online. Let's see. I,
Topic 2.
let me confirm. I put it under which topic? Topic two. No, it's gone.
Take a break. Please stop. Write down whatever you were about to say and
Hey,
take a
why
break.
don't I see the note that I pressed? Why did I press this? I just pressed one on one hour doc. I don't know, but I can do it again.
All right. Let me know when you pasted it.
Yeah, let me paste it again. I'll look for that later. I don't know why I pasted on the which line. Actually, I'm pasting on line two. On topic 2, line 40.
Perfect. Um, this is a little bit long. I think we're gonna have to
You
edit.
can okay. You can cut the little one, or I
Uh,
remove.
let's just put it in the website. See what it looks like. Okay.
Okay, I can remove the others.
All right, so let's take a look at it. I posted it, so let's take a look at the site and we'll see what it looks like. Yeah, you can see how it's like definitely like way too long.
Yes,
So
yes.
see,
Let me delete.
yeah. Also, the picture looks a little bit.
I don't know what's wrong with the picture. Maybe I have to edit again.
I don't know. It just looks like it kind of like expanded it. You know, like it made it a little bit wider. So what? Let's
Yeah.
see what the picture is. Maybe the picture is too small. Let's find out. So if I go in here and I go to media, it says the picture is. It says the file image is only 67 kilobytes, so it's 853 by 1280 pixels. So I think it is kind of a small image. Do you have a bigger one, or did you when you uploaded it? Did you upload it to the full size?
The bigger one, unless I don't know.
Did you upload the image like full size of the image? Let me look at
Yes, the
somebody.
full size. I did not do any cut.
Oh no, this one says 509 by 550 pixels. So I mean, it should work. Why does it? So it looks fine here. So maybe we just need to make it a square. Okay. So let me
Okay.
try to duplicate and turn it into a square. Download file, do text file. So how do I duplicate file?
I just delete everything, remain with a very few message there. You can update that. And,
All right. So I'm just gonna download it and then I'll make it a square myself. So
okay.
download file. Allow. Okay. And then open it up. And then we want to crop, tools, adjust, edit. Uh, no.
I paste the information again. I think this will lead to. I think this not the more.
Okay, so I don't know if this will work, but let's give it a try. We'll
Okay.
try to do this square. I just turned it into a square because it turns it into a circle afterwards. So if we make it a square, then it should work. So if I go to team profiles, and then you just need to edit your whole thing. Yeah, that looks way better. Okay, much better. Okay, so check the website now. It should look way better as a picture. Yeah, perfect. Okay, the picture looks way better.
Yes, good. Now I removed some note there. You can just add.
Okay, yeah. So we want to remove by like we want to do like 2/3 of it less. So we want a lot smaller. So where is the smaller version?
The smaller version, I just deleted the first one.
Where is it? Which lines? Tell me what lines.
On
And
line
when you
42.
have time to start, please
Line
get focused
42.
on the session.
Line 42 to 46 or to 52?
Yeah.
Which
I don't
line?
know. It's still big.
What all the way to 52 or just to 48? Is it line 42 to 52? 10 lines?
Line 42 to 52.
52. Okay. All right. So let me update this. We'll take a look. No, no, no. Oh God. So copy, and I need to put it into that real quick. Yep. All right. Update. Okay, let's take a look at it now. So refresh. Okay, that looks
That's,
better. It's still a little bit long,
that's
but
better. Still more.
it's still a little long, but it's fine for now. Okay, so everything looks more or less normal at this point. So I think that let's just review. Oh wait, well, there is the number at the bottom. Let me see if I can fix that real quick.
The head, the footer. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
All right, cool. So I haven't been able to find I muted Ninmo. But I haven't been able to find I found the footer, but I haven't been able to find any way to change the footer. I just don't understand it. Theme design menu. Site identity, maybe? No.
You are looking for?
We want to change the copyright.
Oh, copyright. It's always under. If you go visit the site, not there.
I mean, I found something for footer, but it doesn't allow me to edit it, and it's not allowing me to actually edit the page itself, which doesn't make any sense. Wait, oh, actually, I have one more idea here. Widget?
Customer.
Footer. Oh, here we go. Add a widget. No. Oh, God. How do I just edit the footer? Why won't it let me edit it?
It's supposed to be under customization.
Yeah, I see the customization, but it's just not letting me edit it. So I don't know. And if I click on it, it doesn't work, and there's no like. I don't know. It's really annoying. Let me try widgets, menus, about the customs. It's homepage. Let me try homepage.
Time for breath. Please stop and get ready. Now inhale, 1, 2, 3, exhale, 1, 2, 3, pause. Inhale together, 1, 2, 3, exhale, relax.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna just do it directly in the theme file editor. It should be possible to just directly edit the file that has it. So I just need to go to the footer. Let's see, footer. Here we go, footer. All right, and then I just need to find footer. Huh. It doesn't seem to have it in the footer. Let's try to find another footer. Maybe in here.
Um,
Can you see my screen at all, or?
no, cannot see your screen. And I try to go to also customization. I can. It's not showing me.
Here we go. Templates. Full width page template. That should be on the template. Let's see. Template. Get footer, but it says footer. State content area. What? Okay, let's try this one. No title page. No. So weird. Let's try single PHP. Get sidebar, get footer. So it's just index.php.
Maybe you have to use coding.
Yeah, I'm doing the coding, but I just don't. Oh, it says WordPress _ footer. So it's obviously in the footer document. So maybe this just isn't the actual document, or maybe there's another footer content page. No. Ugh. All right. Well, anyways, I think I'm going to have to go into the actual files.
You're not sharing your screen.
Yeah, I realized that. It's okay, though. All right. So this is not working. So let's see. Is there any other way to search? No. All right. Whatever. So I'm going to have to go into the file manager directly on the website and try to figure out. Let's do a search, too. I'm just going to do a quick search to see if there's any where to.
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
So I'm just going to search on Google and just say, okay, like how to change the copyright at the bottom of WordPress.
Okay.
Go into the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Customize, look to see if you have a footer option. If you do, select footer, bottom bar. From there, you can disable the footer or put in their text if you have a copyright area option. It's not working though. We tried that already.
Which theme are you using?
Which one?
Oh, look, Nainmo, you're back. You disappeared for a while.
Sorry. Guess that was network.
See, over here they say you can do copyright current year, so it should automatically change to the current year. So if we do figure out how to update it, we should definitely use the current _ year tag, which will make sure that we never have to worry about this ever again.
Okay.
So it says here, okay, here we go. Footer.php code, and look for the code that you want to change. Change that error code, don't forget to click save. Footer.php. Anyway, so I mean, I'm just going to need to log in to the actual back end of the server itself and try to access the actual documents. So I'm going to give it a try. But anyways, I think we are ready to wrap up and check out. Let's do a quick review of everything we know we needed to do for the website. So if we go to our list of priorities.
Let's go to the list of priorities.
All right, so status. So fix backend editing access, done. Fix team profiles, much better. Remove partner profiles, done. Minimal text for other services, done. Remove officer points, done. Verify contact form works. We did not do that, so not done. Info email, not done.
Contact form, I tried
Donation
before.
or fix button. So we did not fix the donation button. Uprate copying it. We did not do that. Picture services page is blank, so this is done. Update website. Update website. What is that? It doesn't make any sense. Okay. So there's just these 4 things that we still have not done yet. Okay.
Verify contact form, I send the message.
Time to stretch. Please stop. Stand
And
up.
it was going through.
Around for 30 seconds.
Yeah, I know you sent the message, but it doesn't change the fact that we still need to verify where the message goes and how it works. Okay.
Yes.
So let me see if I can access the content manager. File manager. All right, cPanel boards, reward, trash, public HTML. All right, services, subcon, do well known. Ooh, that's weird. WD admin content include. So here we go. We have header. I only see header. I do not see. Okay, let's go into content. Whoops. Themes, upgrade, upload. So let's try theme. Which thing we're using? Vantage. It's called Vantage.
Oh,
Right. So we have content footer.php, but that's the one we looked at before, and it didn't work. Let me try to go into it again. Footer.php. Do you want to download it? Allow. And I'm going to take one last look at it and see if I can find anything. Vantage after page wrapper, body vantage footer, part/footer, vantage footer type, layout underscore footer. So I'm thinking it might be we're looking for the layout underscore footer. Let's try to find that. So parts maybe, let's try parts. Footer, here we go, footer.php. Let's see. No, it's not it either. It's so weird. Okay, masthead menu, masthead footer vertical. What? That doesn't make any sense. It's footer vertical. Still nothing. Oh, God. All right, so that didn't work up. So go up a level. All right, admin, icons, images, ink languages, list, loops, parts, sliders, snippets. Snippets? Adjust widget slider, snippets in a new table, border, no. Snippet templates, try templates. Template full, no, I already looked at those.
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
It's so confusing. I don't understand why they make this so
I'm trying
complicated.
to research how to remove copyright for vintage theme.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to figure it out later. I just don't think it's a big deal. Sure, it looks better, but is someone really not gonna, hire us just because we
Let's
can't
say
make it?
login into WordPress, go to appearance and customize. Look to see if you have footer option. If you do, select footer at the bottom bar. From there, you can disable the footer or put in your text.
But that's what we already did.
Then that's weird. We can just leave for now. Maybe I don't know. What should we?
Sorry, my internet connection subscription finished.
No worry.
Just trying to fix it.
I'm gonna try to do a search for.
I'm searching as well. Okay. Then remove. Have to remove copyright.
There's one thing called an overlay footer, so I could try that.
Mhm.
There's a footer.layout. It's gotta be one of these. Oh wait. But these are all the wrong things. Because
New absolute.
We also have sometime plugin that can remove.
Please stop and get ready. Now inhale, 1, 2, 3, exhale, 1, 2, 3, pause. Inhale together, 1, 2, 3, exhale, relax.
I don't understand why I can't just edit it directly. Usually it lets you just edit it directly, but it won't let me for some reason.
Yeah.
Because I
Jay,
can.
do you mind showing your screen?
No, I can't. I can't show the screen right this second. Why can't I just directly edit? That's what I want to know. Oh wait, here, edit. Edit.
Perfect.
No, it doesn't work. Edit. Oh, here I can search for social value group copyright. Oh my god. I feel like I wrote that right somewhere. I just forget where I wrote it. Because it says social value group copyright, see? So obviously we wrote it, right?
Mhm.
So the question is where and how did we write this? It's so weird. Okay. Alright, so when you search for social value group copyright. How do you do copyright symbol? Oh, there it is. Nothing. Oh boy. No, it's not coming up. I don't know. I can't figure it out. Do you really care that much? I need to go because this is just
Yeah, we can just leave it that way.
to do policy training for going over time.
Yeah. All is training.
Did you do the wrap up yet?
Not yet.
You,
Let
No,
me
let's
do
go
it
to
now.
wrap up. We can go to wrap up. Otherwise, I'm just gonna leave if you guys don't want to do the wrap up.
I'm doing right now.
Okay.
Okay. Um, so client average was the first topic.
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
um, where
There
are you
was,
doing where are you
there
doing
was
the wrap up?
I'm doing wrap up and a wrap up.
The wrap up tab.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm
Line.
trying to see. Oh, okay. Oh,
Then
delays.
we have prep. I think yes. Those are the only two things. Me one is line what client.
Client outreach.
Yes.
You can't find it.
I don't know. I should put under which line.
Did you try to find it, or do you want me to do it for you? Or what's going on?
No, I'm trying to find it. I'm on the client coordination, client fundraising. Ah, yes, it's on line 178. Line 170. Then now I can now put the hours. Like 178. So this one we finish how many hours? 35, 40. 1.5 for me. For 125 around. I don't know you guys did it for how long. How many hours do you guys do for prep? 125 minutes?
No, we did
Let's see.
like
So
3 hours,
we did. We only did a
two,
half an hour
three,
longer than you. See, we were here just a half an hour extra time.
like 2 hours.
So we started at this is Cobalt, right? We started at Cobalt, so
I
we
was 30 minutes late.
3 hours. We've been doing 3 hours so far.
So mine
Right?
is 2.5.
Time to take a break. Please stop.
I'm zero for prep.
You were about to
Yeah,
say.
you guys have been working on this. I think 1.5 here. 1.5.
So Nema, you definitely disappeared for some of the time. So
I
here's some,
said I disappeared. It's just a few minutes, right?
uh,
Just few minutes. It's
I didn't. Yeah, then you are good to go. Jay, I would like you to. Jay, I would like. I want you to tell me something here.
What?
Uh, is this a code? Let me share my screen. I'm working on something and I am stuck. During my own time, I do always work. I'm trying to create this website. I just try to do learning, but when I want to view it on my phone, this drop down list coming behind this picture. What might be the problem? I use Elementor editor.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
I create my website. If
What
I
what
want
what?
to, so if I want to view this drop down list on the phone and tablet, it's coming behind this picture. It's showing behind this picture.
What am I looking at? I'm still confused on what's going on.
I share my screen.
Okay, I was looking at your screen, and what's going on?
Yeah, I'm doing my own thing at my own time. So I try to learn how to use website. So when I create this, when I try to view this on my phone, this content here is going behind this picture. This one. It's not showing. It's just showing behind the picture. What
Is
might
it
be the
WordPress?
yes WordPress? I'm
Yeah.
using Elementor.
I don't know. Elemental's probably a theme or whatever, but you need to go into.
Pardon? Edo? I can't hear you, Jay. Jay is on mute.
All right, I'm on mute. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right, so I was
Is
saying
it?
that when you go into the editor, there is a button that you push for the mobile editor,
Oh, mobile editor on WordPress customization.
or just the page editing or whatever. Like when you go to your menu editing, there's always a button that you click for mobile editing.
Okay, thank you. I'll try that. That was oh, thank you. Oh, thank you guys for the session.
All right, cool. I will talk to you all later.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye.
All right, bye bye.
Okay, bye.
Mhm.